Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 5 best hanging egg chairs in 2019. To see the price and more information about these hanging egg chairs, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the videos. Starting at number 5. We have the Christopher Knight Home. If you want a swinging chair that bears unfavorable weather and user elements, the above by Christopher Knight Home does not disappoint. The use of premium polyester for the seat cushions offer a soft and tough surface. Also, it's weatherproof and UV resistant for added safety to keep you safe as you bask under the sun. For simple cleanup, remove the pillows and wash to keep the seating area hygienic and debris-free. This product has an intricate design featuring iron and wicker to bring out a modern feel in any environment. It complements most accessories on a patio, backyard and more places. At this seat near a pool, in a sunroom, garden, outdoor barn deck confidently, thanks to its wide application measuring 23.5 by 38 by 48 inches. It is large enough to fit most relaxation needs like reading, napping, swinging and watching your favorite TV show. The iron frame has a dimension of 44 by 44 by 80 inches and supports the entire unit to prevent breaks and unsteadiness. Moving on, at number 4. We have the KINDEN Hammock Chair. If you live in a household with multiple people and pets, you can rest in a similar place without interfering with each other's space. The KINDEN Hammock Chair has a large seating area measuring 25.7 by 21.6 by 50 inches, to accommodate a whole family. This is great for kids who love playing or relaxing with their pets and at the same time have freedom of movement. It comes with a solid cotton rope which supports different individuals without breaking. We take note of the square ergonomic style which adds comfort when reading, sunbathing, chatting and basking. The above unit has a long 12 meters LED light to brighten up a place while leaving a warm ambience. Another thing is the presence of iron featuring white painting to enhance the overall look and give you easier cleaning time. You can hand wash the removable parts to leave the seating area smell-free and germ-free. The design works well for indoors and outdoors to set on the balcony, sunroom, bedroom, backyard and even in your kids' room. Check out the description for more information about these product and latest price. At number 3. We have the Sorbus Hammock Chair. Sorbus Hammock Chair complements any room, whether indoors or outdoors, to unwind in a unique form. Swing comfortably without the worry of breaking, thanks to the maximum limit of 256 pounds and also a sturdy construction. It uses cotton for excellent breathability to keep you free from sweats and odors. Some design material gets stinky and dirty after a short period, forcing you to clean much more frequently than needed. The seat is 31.75 by 24.5 by 54 inches to take up a small room after installation. The hanging style is a safety measure to prevent damage brought by ground elements like pests and moisture. That means you can relax with total serenity anytime you feel like viewing the outdoor scenes. The rope design features a reliable macro and net pattern consisting of fringed tassels that work seamlessly to deliver a bohemian type of feel. Use this accessory as a reading chair like cradle or meditation spot when deep in thoughts. This structure looks great, perfect for a sunroom, bedroom, living room, kids' room and other home areas. At number 2. We have the CCTRO Hanging Hammock Chair. Whether you are a teenager, toddler, elderly or adult, this chair allows us by all people. Its versatile construction with a vibrant color improves the decor of a porch, deck, along the beach or backyard if you enjoy a comfortable view. Plus, the polyester has better strength than other material to prevent quick tear. Even in constant use, the tent size measures 51 by 39 inches to give a large and comfortable seating. Whether you use it for a few minutes or hours, you get maximum relaxation without experiencing any body pains. Apart from the spacious interior for stretching and relaxing, the two cushions are soft and thick. You can rest your head, legs or back while enjoying a good read. No more worries about damage because this product supports up to 260 pounds, which are higher than others' chairs to give you as well as the young ones a worry-free use any time of the day. Use the loop and top to hang to a suitable position when relocating or in storage. Lastly, at number 1, we have the Island Bay Hanging Egg Chairs. When you spot an Island Bay logo in a product, you know you're getting quality stuff. This chair from them is among the best of the best because of its stability and dependability. It comes with a unique tufted khaki cushion that not only looks great but also makes any setting more inviting. Set it on your favorite spot around the backyard, loft, deck and beside the pool for better serenity. The stand is stable and robust to deliver shake-free and vibration-free seating. Also, it adds support to the whole unit better than others with the same cost. Surround yourself with outdoor beauty at the comfort of your home. The seat is wrapped in durable resin wicker containing an espresso finish to offer a gorgeous style in any room. Featuring a reliable polyester pillow, you can perform different actions more comfortably like reading, napping and relaxing. The extra support of the steel stand lets you enjoy a safe state every time of the day. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.